Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to compress video on mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open my video file, so it is around 271 MB of the file. So I just want to reduce the file size. What I have to do here, so I have reduced around the same videos 97% smaller, that is 7.5 MB. So that is 263 MB smaller. How I did, so let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Chrome browser and I just type a video compressor. Once I type a video compressor, there will be a plenty of advertisement will come. So just scroll down, you will have an option called video IO. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the compressed video file. So this is a beautiful website which I used, and it is beautiful as I showed you in before. So here there will be a compressed video will be there. Just hit the button compress video. It will ask you for video where you want to compress. So where is your video file, everything. So here there will be a compressor video with the upload file. Just hit the upload file. Once you click upload, there will be camera, video and media will be there. So I already recorded the file. I just want to select the media. Once you select the media, your files will be there. So you can select the file and you can start uploading your file. Once you upload your file, automatically it will ask you how many resolution you want to compress your file, because the resolution is original is 1080 and 1920. This is a original one. You want to like upload in a YouTube or Facebook, means you can do it in a 720 MB, or you can down 480 pixel. You can do it is the smallest way you can use. So you have a plenty of option over here. So you can choose a quality also. You want a low quality, high quality or medium quality, you can give according to your need. This is a compress settings. So once I select this one, just click a compress video. Automatically your video will be uploaded and it will give a beautiful output. So just wait and you can see the beautiful things over there. So I have tried more than 10 videos and it is compressed and give me, so I can able to upload in my Google Classroom, I can upload in my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. If I have a high quality video, so I can compress and I can reduce the file size without any other quality issues. So while you select information, you can choose a compressed type should be in a medium or high quality and low quality. The quality won't be affected in your video. So use this option, you can compress your file. Yes, as you see here, so the same video now 97% smaller, that is 7.5 MB file. So you can believe this is happened. So you can download as a file and you can save in your gallery itself. So yeah, I just go to my gallery, I can see my data. So 7.49 MB. So if you like to compress your video file, you can use and compress the steps. If you like the tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.